Here's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. It's efficient and fun. It's practical and fun. The Civic is perfectly suited for your life and fun. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, remote engine start, air conditioning, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Auto Week proclaims the Honda Civic got a new attitude. After dropping some weight, adding better materials to the interior, and improving fuel economy, the Civic demands even more attention than it already gets. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.